So we have gotten 13.5 seconds. So let's test it and see if that's correct. So if I press this, the circuit will stay on for 13 seconds and then go off. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, my counting is not as precise as counting real seconds. That's why maybe there's an error. Once an NE555 in monostable mode is triggered, it stays on for a specified period of time and then goes off. So this time, once I trigger it, this time that it is on, it's usually depends on the value of the resistor and capacitor which you have used in your circuit. So it stays on, then after some time it goes off, and you can calculate it using this formula. So it's T equals, this is the time, equals to 1.1 multiplied by R multiplied by C. So this is the value of resistance, the value of capacitance. So if we test ours here, so we're going to get is 1.1 multiplied by the value of capacitance I'm using is a 5.6 multiplied by capacitance is a 22. You can see the value of the capacitance is 2200 microfarad. So, and this there should be in the SI unit, so times 10 to power 3, because this is in kilo ohm, and also the capacitance is 2200 times 10 to power negative 6, because it's microfarad. So if I just do this in the calculator, we are going to get 1.1 multiplied by 5.6 times 10 to power 3, yes, multiplied by 2200 times 10 to power negative 6. So this is the value, 13.52. So 13.55, yeah, 55 seconds. So this is the period at which the circuit stays on, and we can test it and see. So I'm going to count immediately I start. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, my counting is not as precise. It's not as precise as counting seconds. That's why maybe a little error. Yeah, so, but that's how the circuit that's how the monostable operates.